Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download SquareUp application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download the SquareUp application on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Soon after you do that, bring up the search box and then type in SquareUp and search. Now look for this Square Point of Sale application. Simply tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Square Point of Sale is a free point of sale application that enables you to sell everywhere, anywhere, and in any way to your customers. You can also take contactless payments with just your phone. So that is how you will be able to download the Square Point of Sale or SquareUp application on your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.